Hello students, this is your class teacher Tulika and I welcome you all to my classroom. This is a very short and sweet video on introduction to articles, which is of course a part of speech. Come students, let's take a look. What is an article? Well, yes, as I previously mentioned, it is a part of speech as we have nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs. So article is also a part of speech. Well, basically, an article is an adjective. Yes, it is an adjective. And like adjectives, articles also modify nouns. Basically, if you see the examples, we will see further. You will see that articles you always come before the noun, right? So they are adjectives, like the boy, an apple. So they are adjectives. Yes. Usually, children mistaken, by thinking that there are three articles, but no, there are two articles: article the and a and an. At places we can either use a or an. We cannot use both at the same time. So we have only two articles in English: the and a and an. And students, very easy to remember. The articles are bifurcated in two, that is definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. Let's take an example here. Like if I want to say, let's read a book. So when I concentrate on the usage of article here. When I use the book, I mean to say I mean a specific book. Okay, and when I say a book means it is indefinite. It can be this book, that book, English book, geography book. I'm not specific about. I just said let's read a book. But when I say let's read the book, so I am very sure which book I want to read. So I'm using the article the. So we have taken the same sentence but using different articles, and both are correct because it all depends on what you want to say. Are you sure about the book you want to read? So you will use the, because it is a definite article. Yes, I want to read this book. And then when you're not sure about the book you want to read, you will say, yes, let's read a book, like any book, a novel, a comic, or a textbook, or anything. So let's read a indefinite article. Here we'll take another example. Say, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. So now here we are using the article, indefinite article a, and as it comes before the noun, you can see it is an adjective. It is doing the work of the adjective. It is modifying the noun. A dog. If we suppose you don't use the article a there. So my daughter really wants dog for Christmas. Okay, but here we are using a dog. The sentence is correct, but we are using an adjective there which says or which modifies the noun dog by saying that the daughter is not sure about which breed of dog she wants. Okay, is it a Pomeranian or Doberman or Labrador? So my daughter is not sure, so I'm using the adjective, article adjective, which modifies the dog for Christmas, right? So my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. So we are using, suppose the daughter is sure about the dog she wants, then I will use my daughter really wants the dog for Christmas, because my daughter is very sure she wants this breed, particular breed of dog. So I'm using. So it's very clear here that a is indefinite and the is a definite article. Students, now as far as the usage of a and an is concerned, that is a small rule, a very small and simple rule we have to remember. You have to bifurcate the English alphabet in two parts here: vowels and consonants. Vowels are the sounds. The vowels, you have to remember the letters A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in English, and there are 21 consonants in English. Apart of leaving these 5 vowels, rest all the letters in the English alphabet are called consonants. So 5 vowels and 21 consonants make 26 letters of the alphabet, English alphabet. Now here there is small rule that you have to remember with the usage of and with the of course with the indefinite thing that we, because now we are not talking about the articles a and the, no, we are talking about a and an. So how will you differentiate this? So it's very very simple, and there are, of course, I will make other videos on vowels and consonants, but for now, as this is an introduction video to articles, we have to remember a is used before the consonant sound. Okay, if you see the examples here, monkey. So monkey, first letter is M. It is a consonant. It is not a vowel. We have 5 vowels, which is A, E, I, O, U. So M is not among them. So we use a monkey. We can use the monkey also if we are definite about the monkey, and we can use a monkey. But if there is a choice we have to make between a and an, then we have to follow this rule. We cannot say an monkey, which is grammatically wrong. You understand? And next is a bear. So B. B is also a consonant, and the sound also you have to remember. A donkey. D. Again, the first letter of the word donkey. D is a consonant. And next is snake. S. So here again we have to remember the rule. The consonant sounds, we will carry the article a. Now let's see article an. It's very very simple, as there are only 5 vowel sounds: A, E, I, O, U. You have to concentrate on the sounds and not the letter. E, eagle, an eagle. Now here we cannot use the article a eagle, no. We have to use an eagle, which means one. A also means one, an also means one, and indefinite, of course. Next is an iguana, an elephant, an ostrich. So if you concentrate on the first letter, you see these all are the letter sounds of they are the vowel sounds of A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now if you see the word iguana, iguana is using the letter I, but it is giving the sound of E, iguana. So we are using the article an. Okay. Now if you see the elephant, an elephant, elephant. So it is using the letter E, but it is giving the sound A. Okay, so as I said, you have to concentrate on the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Alright. Well, students, quickly let's practice these examples, because it all matters the maximum number of practice with words. Book. So B is a consonant, it's not a vowel. So we'll use a book. Ant, an ant. Cat. C is a consonant, so a cat. We are here concentrating on a or an. Okay. Apple, a, a, a. Let's, yes, the first letter sound. So a, apple, an apple. Bow, consonant B, so a bow. Girl, a girl. G is a consonant. Elephant, we already saw an elephant. Igloo, E, sound of E, so I, it is using the letter I but sound is E. So an igloo, E, again an I, kite, consonant, yes, K, so a kite. Egg, an egg, a. It's using the letter E but it's giving the sound a. And octopus, a. So an octopus. The vowels are 5: A, E, I, O, U. Well, children, we have to remember a little fact about a, and the. A and an, of course, we know it means one. And as there is one sun, can we use a sun? No, it will be wrong. Okay, because there is only one sun. We cannot mention that among many suns are talking about a sun. No, there is one sun. So it is always the definite article with sun goes as the. So you will always use the sun. Okay, because a sun is wrong. You understand, children? So we always say the sun, the moon, the earth, and the sky. And also with the rain, the rain. Okay, so this is a small thing we have to remember here. These are only one. So we will use definite article the. Always the with these words. Well, students, here we are taking few sentences for practice. Dash bird is flying in dash sky. A bird is flying in the sky. Sky, always definite article. Dash earth goes round dash sun. Thus, the earth goes round the sun. Earth and sun also always definite article. Take umbrella hai. So take an umbrella when you go out in the rain. Rain again always definite article. So take an umbrella when you go out in the rain. An astronaut can go to the moon. An astronaut. An. The moon. Again moon always definite article. An old man cannot become a young boy again. Indefinite article a. Well, students, this was a short video on articles. If you need more practice, do feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. And if you liked my video, please press like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tune up to my next video on parts of speech coming up soon. Thank you everyone.